Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Silver Fox here. If you can hear this above my head, that's a jet flying around. So I apologize. But I did want to tell everybody that I think this usually happens in the later part of the year. I kind of thought it was going to happen around December. But the 2024 product schedule is out. And so how I did that was I clicked on this initially, and this would, in that little website bar, this just had a 2023 in it. So what I did was delete the 3 and put the 4 in. So that's how I got here. And so let's go through what they got for us in 2024. And then there's going to be a little surprise at the bottom here. So we got Harriet Tubman 2024 proof $5 gold coin. Nope, and there's no pictures on these, so we'll have to wait. There's Harriet Tubman proof dollar, proof silver dollar. Interesting. A Harriet Tubman 3-coin proof set, uncirculated $5 gold coin, uncirc $half, uncirc silver dollar. You got your American Eagle there. You got the congratulations set, and I don't think there's any prices on these either. Let's see if my internet works. Yeah, so there's no prices or anything, but at least we get to know like what to expect, right? So we got the American Eagle, the congrats set, the American Innovations, if you collect that. I don't. Rolls bags, there's a presidential medal. I don't think that's too hot either. Got your platinum freedom of assembly. They have that like every year. I wish they would do something different. Women quarters, Dr. Polly Murray. Oh, there's a picture at least. Yeah, so I lied. There's actually a couple photos. So there's a doctor on there. Interesting design. And in February, you got the proof set. Greatest generation commemorative clad proof coin. Well, what's the greatest generation? Do tell. So is it is it Gen Z? Is it millennials? Gen X? Baby boomers? Silent generation? Who is it? Put in the comments below who the greatest generation is. Apparently there's a commemorative coin for it. There's a gold proof coin. Whoa. Silver coin. Gosh. I got a bunch of these greatest generation coins. Proof set? Wow. And then you got your buffalo, or as I like to call it, bison gold proof coin. Buffalo is technically an animal in Asia. I'm just saying. Let's see here. American Eagle, gold proof. American Eagle, 1.5 gold. 1 ounce gold. 1 ounce silver. 1/4 ounce gold. So there's all your American stuff. American Eagle. And then you got your Alabama Innovation, Maine. And then you got another women's quarter here. Patsy Takamoto Mink, honorable. Was she a judge or something? Doesn't say. Maybe we got a pick. Doesn't tell us. But well, I should look at the design, huh? She must be in education, if I had to guess. Yeah, no, sad, right? And don't even read the coin. I just look for the description. They should have the description if they have these on here, right? Come on. American Women, Silver Proof Set. James Garfield. Ugh. They need to stop doing those, in my opinion. You got your Kennedys. So remember, way up here, there was Harriet Tubman half dollars. I kind of thought that was gonna replace the Kennedy for some reason. I don't know how that would work, but so there's still gonna be Kennedy for those Kennedy folks who collect them and stuff. If I can find my place. So here's the bags, 2-roll set, proof set, silver proof set, U.S. Army 1 ounce. They're still doing those. Wow. I thought they already did that. Or maybe, I'm probably thinking another branch. American Eagle, 1 ounce gold, 1 ounce silver, American Eagle, American Innovation, $1 coin, the Missouri bags and rolls, the ornaments, please, Mint, if you're listening, stop with the ornaments. I beg you. I beg you. I personally do not know of anybody who collects the ornaments, but if you do, good for you. I just think it's kind of funny. Celia Cruz, bag and rolls in the summer. She must be a singer, I would assume. And then we got Dr. Mary Edwards Walker, so that one's pretty easy. She must be a doctor. There you go. Matt's learning here. Oh no, this one's kind of interesting. She looks kind of sad. Maybe it could have been something a little bit more inspiring. I think if the face was a little bit better, that would be kind of a cool coin. Hmm. Another presidential medal. Wow. And look here, Morgan dollar on Circ, peace on Circ. Circulated coin set 2024. This one's interesting. 230th anniversary flowing hair gold coin. That'll be interesting to see. Yeah, there's no information there. And then there's a silver one. Ooh, did they put the miniages? I don't think they did. Limit of 5 though. American Innovation reverse proof set. So that's something different, I think. I don't follow it too closely, but I'm pretty sure, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the first year they do reverse proof sets for 2024. They're probably trying to hop on the Peace and Morgan reverse proof set if I had to guess. We got another American Women Quarter here. We got Zikala Sa, and she must be a Native American. I like the design. It just looks a little cartoony. Like, especially look at the sun and the bird. It just looks like kind of blocky, cartoony. I wish it looked more realistic. Just my opinion. But I think that might be my favorite one so far. And then another presidential medal. Ugh. And then limited edition silver proof set, Mighty Minter's ornament. Then you got your Morgan 2024 proof. And look, guys, everybody who's into the reverse proof sets, they got that fall 2024. And your peace dollar, and then your ornaments. So, I don't think there's anything really special besides, I don't know, if you collect the Innovation reverse proof set. I don't know if that's a new thing or not, but it could be. And then the flowing hair design. And when's that going to be? In the fall of 2024. Okay. And then and then the Morgan Peace reverse is also going to be in the fall. Okay. Well, I'd say there's one or two new things that will be interesting. Obviously, the Mint adds and takes away things. But guys, remind me, I'll give you a little hint. Name a 2.5 silver medal that's supposed to be on here. And drop in the comments below. Because if I remember correctly, they took an item off last year for this year, 2023 in the fall, and it's not on here. So guess in the comments below what you think it's supposed to be. And I'm kind of disappointed not to see it because I wanted that to come out this year. So, alright, guys, well, that's the sneak peek, and that's how you access the 2024 schedule. Alright, guys, hopefully you're excited. A couple new things. It'll be interesting to see what the flowing hair design looks like. So, we'll see you in the next one. Alright, guys, take care.